Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I am going to walk you through how to recover a Roblox account without an email or phone number. So, if you can't log into your account or you simply forgot your username or password, I'll show you what to do. So make sure to watch this step-by-step tutorial to the end to find out how you can recover your Roblox account. So what you want to do now is exit out of the Roblox app and then open up your web browser. I have Google Chrome over here, so let me do that right now. Once you've done that, next tap on this search bar up top and search for Roblox support. And then click on this very first link. Then you have to provide Roblox with your date of birth. And select Next. As you can see at the top, it says Contact Us, so now all you have to do is fill out this form. So put in your username. If you don't remember it, just leave it blank, it is optional, and then type in your first name, and then type in the email address that you have access to right now, because when Roblox finally replies to you, it is going to be this email address that you type in over here, and then confirm that email address. So after that, you want to go into details about your situation. So first select the device you are using, and then select your issue from this category section. So you want to click on Account Hacked or Can't Log In, and then select Forgot Password. Now in this box, you want to explain what is going on with your account. This is the only way to recover your account without an email or phone number, so tell them all they need to know to solve your issue. You can now type in all and any details that you can share regarding your situation. And then finally tap on this submit button over here to submit your form, and that's it. Hopefully, now they will get in touch with you and recover your account for you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos. And if you face any issues during this whole process, please put them in the comment section below. Let's solve those together. As always, thanks for watching and have a good day.